Okay, let's start our practice with opening meditation, getting attuned with ourselves. Close your eyes, relax your face, relax your gaze, relax your expression. Just unburden your shoulders of whatever you have been holding on. Relax your spinal column, relax your chest, your ribs, your belly. Notice your sit bones grounded into the surface. Relax your buttocks, your hip joint, your groin. Relax your inner thighs, your outer thighs. Let go of the tension through your knees. Relax your lower limbs, your ankles, your heels, arches of your feet, your toes, front of your feet, and just keep moving your attention upwards towards the center of your brain. Relax your forehead. Let go of the creases through your forehead. Make yourself feel comfortable with your physical body. Make yourself comfortable with your feelings, your emotions. Start getting present with whatever emotions and feelings you are having. Do not tense up yourself. Allow yourself to feel whatever you have been feeling. Today's practice is all about allowing our feelings and our emotions to surface and acknowledge them. We all need to be heard. We all need to be seen. We all need to allow our emotions to let go and surrender. This practice is all about letting go. So start addressing the areas in your body which are feeling any kind of gripping action, any kind of tension, any kind of tightness. That's the natural response of our body whenever we are holding emotions in certain parts of our body. Just be there. Notice each and every area of your body. Be with the passiveness of your breath. Soft in breath and soft out breath. Do not try hard to push and pull your breath. Every exhalation is a signal to allow you to let go of your feelings. Keep getting intimate with yourself. This is your body, your breath, and your own emotions. Stay with your breath. Let it flow towards each and every part of your physical existence. allowing your joints and your muscles to soften. Keep watching yourself. Start getting comfortable with yourself. There shouldn't be any urge to move and fidget. And slowly join your palms in prayer position. Press your thumbs into your chest bone. Take a deep breath in. Om. 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 Lower your head towards your fingertips. Let the vibrations of the chant spread over your spinal column and allow each and every negative emotion to drop down towards the surface. Let us all establish positive intention towards our practice with an attention. Lift your head up, cup your eyes with your palm. Slowly release your palm. Gently open your eyes. And let's start arriving into our practice. Today's practice is all about addressing our feelings, every emotion. If you're feeling angry about anything, anything which is not working for you, any kind of relationship issue you are having, you want to resolve matters with your spouse, with your kids, anybody, your friends, your family, any anguish, any frustration you're dealing with, let it come up. Do not push it away. We always accumulate more and more emotions and negative thoughts, and our response towards life and surroundings changes when we don't address the situation, when we don't address what emotions we are feeling. We are humans, we are not God. We have to experience them. We all need to be heard, we all need to be seen. Please allow those emotions to come up. Physically, if you feel somewhere into your body, your shoulders, your arms, your pelvis, your feet, any kind of strong sensations, let it be. That is a signal that you are holding something over there. Allow that area to soften and just settle down with that feeling. The more you address your feelings and your emotions, you will be able to make peace with it better. And your response and your reaction towards life will change. It could be anything, your relationships or your own natural behavior also. Okay, so let's begin. The first posture for the day is our butterfly posture, also called the Badakon. Don't bring the heels closer towards your groin. Only if you can bear the sensations onto your pelvic region, then draw the heels closer. Otherwise, it's a good thing to have the heels slightly away, because in Yin Yoga, our focus is more on holding the posture to help us surrender. Okay, let's begin. Joining the soles of the feet, slowly coming forward, allowing your head to droop, dangling, and settling into the posture wherever you can reach. If you think this is enough for you, into a seated butterfly, you can be here. If you're feeling too many sensations onto your thighs, you can take cushions or blocks under your thighs. You can rest a block over your feet. Take a bolster and rest. Choose the version which works best for you. It's your body. You know the best about yourself. Making yourself feel settled is the way you will address your emotions. Wherever you are feeling maximum sensation, allow your prana, your breath to flow into that area. Let that area soften and relax. Your spine could be rounded, it could be straight, doesn't matter. Just tell yourself that you are feeling safe with your feelings. Your emotions and your feelings are your own, and you do not fear them. Do not try to fight your feelings and your emotions. The silence is going to help you work inwards towards yourself. Try to resolve the matters within yourself. Nothing is in your control. Neither can we control the people in our life nor the situation. Do not run away from anything. Do not try to strive through the posture. Do not try to fight your emotions. Let them flow in and accept. Acknowledge every feeling. Let your breath be soft. Just keep watching yourself. Notice your physical body, notice the physical sensations. Every sensation is a signal, it's an invitation to let go a bit more. Few more breaths. Without opening your eyes, staying with the experience, reflecting on yourself, nicely and gently start receding back. Take your time. Spread your legs in front of you. You can do a gentle back bend by pressing your palms behind your back. You can make some movements into your legs to let go of the tension. You can move your head and neck in any direction into some yang movement. Always support your yin posture with some yang movement to let the energies balance. And the next posture for the day is the Anahata posture, melting heart posture. If you need a support under your knees, please take it. You can have a folded mat or a folded blanket. Come onto your knees. Stretch your arms in front. This is a gentle back bend. We all hold a lot of emotional baggage onto our shoulders and our upper back. That is how it starts rounding and the shoulders start notching up towards our ears. So let's allow to drop all the baggage into the ground. Just drop the chest towards the surface, spread your arms, arching your back, melting your chest into the surface. Your knees are under your hips. If you would like to take something under your forehead, please go ahead. You can rest your forehead onto a cushion or a block. And stay there. Let your heart open. Let all the negative emotions pass. Keep dropping the chest towards the surface, widening your arms, feeling that deep opening into your shoulders and your upper back. Bharti ji, just come onto your knees and then spread your arms and just drop the chest. Your knees can be widened or they can be together. It doesn't matter. The target area is our shoulders and our upper back. Just stay there. Feel all those sensations around your shoulder joints, your arms. It is very easy to suppress and control our feelings and keep them behind the doors, but very difficult to let them flow out. And when you allow your emotions and your feelings to flow in any form, that is when the healing happens. From here, without opening your eyes, start sitting back onto your heels, widening your knees as wide as possible. Widen your knees, stretch your arms in front, and rest your forehead down into the surface, into complete surrendership. You can have a block or a bolster or a cushion under your forehead. Let the arms be away from your ears. Be with the feeling of the melting heart. We all possess and house lots of thoughts and feelings, not only from the present, not only from the past few days, but also from our past life, past karma. Let's not lie to ourselves that I am not feeling any kind of anxiety. I am not feeling any kind of anguish. I am very strong and I can work on it easily. Let's not always tell that to ourselves. Accepting vulnerability towards our emotions is also a big trait. If you are feeling mad at your own self or anyone, let it be. If you feel like shedding tears over here in this moment, please do. That is a natural response your body wants to have. Take yourself towards the deeper level. The edginess in the posture, the sensation is a sign of lot of emotions held in. Feel supported and safe with whatever you have. Trust your feelings. Just one more breath. Slowly make your way up onto all fours position, coming onto your palms and your knees. Let's do some cat-cow stretch, moving our spine gently up and down. Deeper, longer, fuller breath. Every exhalation extended a bit more. And slowly go into a downward facing dog. You can choose to keep your eyes closed to be with the experience. You can even make some movements in your legs in downward dog as if you are walking at the same place. Slowly come onto your hands and your knees. And let's draw the right knee forward into a pigeon pose. Let your hips drop down into the surface. If you are not able to drop the hips down, you can take a cushion or a block under your right hip and sit onto it to support your hip. From here, slowly start surrendering yourself towards the surface. You can choose to stay here, take a block, and rest your head onto it. Those who can go down can fully go down, stretching the arms. If you don't have props, you can have your forearms over each other and rest your head onto it. If you don't want to drop the head and neck, you can rest your cheeks into your palm. Choose the best version for yourself. You are worth every inch of the posture. Yin is a practice which is designed specifically keeping our anatomy in mind. Work as per your body, work as per what your body is allowing in this time. Nothing is good or bad. Everything is as per the surrounding, the situation, and yourself. Just keep relaxing and softening the muscles around your hips. Any kind of holding of thoughts and feelings only gives us grief in the long run. It just keeps coming up, remaining unresolved, unsolved. Slowly start coming up gradually with kindness. Once again, for a moment, just come up into downward facing dog. Stretch your legs. And slowly come down onto your knees. And let's take it onto the other side. Pigeon pose onto the left side. Bring your left knee forward. Extend through your right leg back. Sit onto both your hips. And if you're not able to sit with your hips squared, just take a cushion or a block under your left hip and sit onto it. You can stay here, you can stay on your forearms, or you can completely go down. Just settle down in whichever way makes you feel happy and peaceful. This is your space where you are totally your own self. Do not judge yourself. Do not judge your feelings and your emotions. Do not form opinions about your own self. Nothing is perfect, nor are you, nor me. Do not try to tell yourself that I want to beat this emotion. No, please do not push yourself to work on your emotions. It is a very, very natural process, a passive process. Do it with kindness. The beauty of this practice is it allows you to experience that passiveness. Let's prepare ourselves to come out of the posture. Come up and this time stretch your legs in front of you. Just spread your legs, drop them towards the side. Let yourself be comfortable onto the surface. Be with the experience. Just reflect on yourself. Let's slowly prepare ourselves for a reclining butterfly this time. Those of you who have a yoga bolster, I suggest and strongly recommend to use this for the posture. If you don't have it, even if you have a blanket or a roll towel, you can make a cylinder out of it like this. If you don't have a bolster, you can take a pillow, a thick pillow, and put it lengthwise, or the roll blanket or the towel cylindrically, whichever prop you have. You are going to place it vertically. Pillows you can take, two pillows or one pillow. Put it lengthwise, or a bed sheet or a big towel rolled like a cylinder, and lie down onto it. You can even take support for your head, having a folded blanket under your head. This time, draw your heels closer towards your groin and drop the knees to the side. Once again, I suggest if you feel strong sensations around this area, then put cushions or blocks under your thighs to support yourself. Your hands could be by the side, could be behind your head, could be just spread out a bit. Whatever makes you feel happy into this posture, please choose that variation. When your heart and your rib cage open, it allows us to settle down with a lot of anxious thoughts. Stay lifted with the chest. Feel that nice opening into your frontal body, nice opening into your pelvic region, allowing each and every minutest of the feeling to surrender and drop towards the surface. Sometimes we ourselves are not aware of the difficult emotions we are experiencing. Every in breath is telling you to receive all the positivity from the surroundings. Every out breath is telling you to let go of the negative response, the negative thoughts and feelings you are housing. Allow your exhalation to extend a bit more. Keep watching your physical body. Do not try to grip or tighten any area of your physical body. The strongest of sensations you are feeling anywhere are just telling you you are housing something over there. Allow that area to soften. Keep telling yourself you are safe with your own emotions and feelings. Keep telling yourself you accept and acknowledge your emotions. Affirm to yourself to let go. Affirm to yourself to accept everything around yourself. Accept your own self the way you are. Accept the situation and not to control anything. Slowly straighten your legs and stay there for 1 more minute. Stay with the pause. It is very difficult to find space where you are seeking some peace, some time for yourself, to be with yourself. Very difficult to find a space where you can actually acknowledge your behavior, your reaction, your response, where you can actually move into the deepest levels of yourself. This practice gives you that opportunity and that chance at a physical level, at a mental level, and at a spiritual level. Whichever way you would like to come out of the posture, choose that way. Turn onto any one side and come up into a seated position. Bring your palms over each other into your lap in front of your belly, into a meditative state. Just meditate for a few breaths. Now is the time when you can seek answers for yourself. Now is the time when you will have clarity in your thoughts. Stay here for a few breaths. Let's not quickly get away from the experience. Let the experience linger on. Take a deep breath in. Exhale out as you sigh out through your mouth. Inhale and sigh out through the mouth. Inhale and into a breath of relief. Two more times. Inhale and one last time. Inhale and completely let go. Rub your palm. Feel the warmth and the energy through your palms all over you. Open your eyes partially and gradually. without letting the light fall directly. Bow down and surrender towards divine supreme power, towards Mother Nature, towards your near and dear ones. Seek their blessing and always be grateful towards them. Hari Om, Sat Sat. Thank you so much for bringing yourself to this class. Have a beautiful and a blessed day ahead, and always stay shining bright. Thank you.
Thank you, Nidhi. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Bye bye. I shall see you all soon. Have a good day.